Hello students, in the chapter Measures of Central Tendency, we completed two important topics, that was arithmetic mean and median. Now we will see what we mean by mode and how it is calculated. So students, the value which occurs more frequently, that is known as mode, okay? Or suppose if we are given a series, so in that particular series, the number which will occur for maximum number of times, that will be known as our mode. For example, if we have a series like 2, 5, 3, 2, 5, 5, 1, 5, 7 and 5. Suppose we have this series, okay? Now what will be the mode? So as per this meaning, which occurs more frequently or for maximum number of times. See, 2 is here for 2 times, 5 is here for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Then we have 3 is here just 1 time, 1 is also 1 time, and 7 is also here 1 time. Okay, so here what we see students, that 5 is that number which is occurring more frequently or which is for maximum times. Okay, so this will be known as our mode. Okay, now students, just by seeing, okay, we came to know that 5 is mode because we saw that it is occurring for maximum number of times. So this thing, when we come to know the value of mode just by seeing, that is known as inspection method. Okay, so what do we mean by inspection method? In this, we know the value of mode just by seeing or just by inspection. Clear? Now another method of finding mode is grouping method. Okay, this is our grouping method. So students, what we do in grouping method is we make a grouping table, we group the numbers, okay, and after that we make one analysis table and then we find the value of mode. So let us see one question related to that and how grouping method is done. So students, here we have a question which is related to grouping method. Okay, so here is one example where size and frequency is given. It means that it is a question of discrete series. In grouping method, we will have to make grouping table and analysis table. Okay, see here, this side I have written the class size which is given. Okay, size I have written here, and in this we have to make total of 6 columns. Clear? In first column students, we will write the frequency as it is given. Okay, see here, if we try by inspection method, then what is the problem, that here is also 8 and here is also 8. Maximum value is for both, so we cannot decide here that which will be our mode. That's why we will find out with this method. So in first column we have written the frequency. In second column we are required to make pair of two numbers starting from first number. Okay, pair of two numbers starting from first number itself. So these two numbers pair we will make, then these two and this two. Okay, so we will write here 8 plus 3 11, 7 plus 2 9, 8 plus 6 14. Okay, so pair of two numbers we have done starting from first number. Then in third column again we will make pair of two numbers, but this time we will not start from first number, we will start from second number. Okay, this thing you will have to remember. So now these two numbers will be included, these two numbers, and at last you can see one is single digit is left. Okay, so no pair will be made. 3 plus 2 5 here, and 7 plus 8 15 here. Okay, now coming to fourth column. In fourth column we are required to make pair of three numbers, and we will start from first number itself. So pair of three numbers, 8 plus 3 11 plus 2 13, like this we will write. Then again pair of three numbers, 8 plus 7 15 and 6 21. Okay, so pairing of three numbers we have done. Then in the next column again we have to make pair of three numbers, but this time we will leave the first number. Okay, we will start from second number. See here, starting from second number, 3, 2 and 7. One pair will be made. For second pair we see that only two numbers are there. But we have to make pair of three numbers, so it is not possible. So only one we will make. 3 plus 2, 5 and 7. That means 12 will come here. In the last column, students, what we have to do is, now we will have to again make the pair of three numbers. But this time we will leave the starting two numbers. Okay, we will start from third number. So leave these two, start from here, 2, 7 and 8. 7 plus 2, 9 and 8, 70. So here it will be 70. Okay. So this is how your all the columns will be filled. See, for making table you have to remember that we will have to make pair. Okay. In second column, pair of two numbers starting from first number itself. Then in third column again pair of two numbers. Okay, and starting from second number. Then in fourth column pair of three numbers starting from first number. Here also pair of three numbers starting from second, and again pair of three numbers starting from third number. This rule will always be followed while making grouping table. Now students, we will have to mark the highest values in each column. For example, in first column the highest value is 8 and here also 8. Okay. Then in second one we see that the highest value is 14. In this one, third one, highest value is 15. Here it is 21. Here it is 12. And here also 17 because single numbers are here. So after marking the highest values, now we will move to analysis table. In analysis table you can see that these columns now we have written vertically, and this class size we have written horizontally. Okay, this is the change you will have to make. What we will analyze is, see, highest values that we have marked. 8 is part of which size? 10. Okay, so we will write here 1. You can also tick mark. Okay, then again 8 is here highest value. It is part of which one? 50. So in 50 also we will write 1. Then in second column 14 is highest. Okay, so 14 is part of which number? See, 8 plus 6 we have done, pairing of 2, then we arrived at 14. So 8 is part of 50 and 6 is part of 60. So 50 and 60 we will mark. 50 and 60. In which column? Second column. Now third column, the highest number is 15. Okay, 15 how we have got? By making pair of 2. This 8 plus 7. So it is part of 40 and 50. So we will mark in 40 and 50. 40 and 50. Okay. Then here the highest value is 21. How we have got 21? By making pair of 3. So this 3 numbers 7, 8 and 6. These are part of 40, 50 and 60. So we will mark here in 40, 50 and 60. Okay. Then again in fifth one highest is 12. Okay, single number only. What numbers we have added for 12? See, pair of 3 we have made. This 3 plus 2, 5 and plus 7, that is 12. So these are part of 20, 30 and 40. So we will mark here in 20, 30 and 40. Okay. At last we have got 17. 17 how we have got? By adding these three numbers, 2 plus 7 plus 8. Okay. So these are part of 30, 40 and 50. So mark in 30, 40 and 50. This is done. Now what we will have to do is we will total this, okay? For example, 10, how many times it has been marked? Only one time. So write here 1. 20, this is also one time. 30, this is 2 times. 40, it is 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. 50, it is 5 times, and 60 is 2 times. So we can see that 50 has occurred more frequently, okay, 5 times here. That's why students, for this particular question, our mode is represented by capital Z. It will be 50. And this is your overall solution, how you will find mode using the grouping table. Thank you.